Hello Amazon.com, my name is Beau and I put all sorts of fantastic gadgets through the test for your own edification. So if in fact you want to drop a couple bucks on a product, odds are I have reviewed that product. And in this case we have from Cellekt. Clever. Cellekt has their own version of the Apple this little charger thing, if that makes sense. It's for the iPhone, so iPhone 5S or 6 or anything like that. And this is a 6-foot cable. You'll see that it is quite widespread across my wonderful t-shirt that my father gave me, also off of Amazon.com. I love this place. Now, what I really like about this is the cable is actually pretty darn strong. The reason why I got this guy is because, well, see that little creature over there? You can barely see it. There it is, see? Oh, yes, that little evil thing right there. Yeah, she chewed on my other cable and she ruined it. Well, this one, she can chew all she'd like because it's a lot stiffer. And yeah, good luck chewing through this. Plus, it's 6 feet long, which means that I can plug this in and still watch Netflix in bed. How cool is that? Plus, another thing is, since I have a MacBook Pro, the two USB ports are right next to each other on the on my laptop, and so I'm very aware of USB cables that are really thick and fat and don't sit next to each other when they're both plugged in. But this is very, very minimalist. And it works wonderfully. Charges my iPhone 5S fantastically, as I'm sure it will charge all of your Apple products as well. Absolutely a 5 out of 5 stars product, as you can see right there. And my name is Beau. I hope that you enjoyed this fantastic review here on Amazon.com.